If you want to adjust your focus for the intermediate or infinite focus distance, we recommend taking your test pictures outside. We recommend uniform and continuous subjects, like a series of buildings or objects in a landscape, essentially a scene with some depth in it, so that you can recognize when your subject is focused correctly. While taking the test pictures outside, it is best to aim for bright daylight and avoid morning or evening hours. Try setting the camera up so that the subject is approximately at the set photo distance that you are adjusting for. Again, ensure to use the center focus point and self-timer to avoid vibrations. Now, take the photo and check the image on a computer screen. You can adjust the focus in the Focus Adjustment tab of the utility software. Adjusting for intermediate or infinite focus distance, choose the second or third focus slider from the left. In case of front focus, adjust to plus. In case of back focus, adjust it to minus. We recommend adjusting the focus in steps of 5 and not choosing extreme values for each of the 3 regions.